different literary devices I've already talked about, plus what is a literary. So a simile is used as a description to compare two things. Nope. Is you look for these three words, like and. I've also published some kids books on Amazon. They're on Kindle free if you have Audible. That's not right. Free device. You can check out the playlist above that shows different. No, I don't like that. Okay. Amazon, and they're free on Kindle. So the link will be down in the description if you'd like to check them out. This is Creative Writing Lessons. This is where I give you tips and tricks to writing a successful story, especially for beginners. If you're loving this content, don't forget to like and subscribe this video so I can keep pumping out these amazing videos. All right, let's continue the video.